Natcco at 46. Expanding horizons. Seizing new frontiers. Thriving amid challenges. With strengthened connection with members 7 million strong. Towards a resilient and sustainable future. 2023 is the year to share our smiles in person as we gather for the first in-person General Assembly since the pandemic to learn, share, collaborate, and take action as we seize new frontiers in an integrated network towards resiliency and sustainability. The Natcco 46th Annual General Assembly and 21st Leaders Congress, May 5 to 7, 2023, SMX Convention Hall, Bacolod City. Kari kita sa Bacolod, mahugpong kang magsinadya. We will be joined by international and local speakers who will inform and inspire. Natcco's leadership and management will present the strategic plan for 2023 up to 2027 in time for the Golden Anniversary. Padayon towards the Golden Year. Save the date! The Natcco 46th Annual General Assembly and 21st Leaders Congress, May 5 to 7, 2023, SMX Convention Hall, Bacolod City. For more details, visit www.natco.coop.